Your lesson essential question is how can you record fractions on a number line? So we're going to be using a number line to make equal parts. Mr. Singer is picking up his daughter Greta from school to go to soccer practice. Greta's school is located at 3/4 the distance from the Singer's house to the soccer field. How can you represent 3/4 on a number line? Every number on a number line represents a distance from 0. So step 1, we're going to start by drawing the number line from 0 to 1. 0 will represent their house. So right here is their house. And you can see up here, their house is at the end. One represents the distance from the Singer's house to the soccer field. So one whole drive takes you from the house to the soccer field. Then we need to divide the distance from 0 to 1 into 4 equal parts. Now, why are we drawing 4 equal parts? If you come back up to the problem, it says Greta's school is located at 3/4 of the distance from the house to the soccer field. That denominator, that bottom number, tells me that I'm separating my whole into 4 equal parts. So each length is 1/4 of the whole distance between 0 and 1. They've drawn our 4 parts for us. Now we're going to start at the 0 and draw a point at the end of the 3/4 on the line. Write 3/4. This represents the distance from the Singer's house to Greta's school. Now, why are we doing 3 jumps? Well, if you go back to the problem, again, we know that the denominator is 4 equal parts, but we know that her school is 3/4. So that's the reason we're drawing 3/4 right here. So if I look up here, if I were to draw those 4 equal parts, 1, 2, 3, 4, jump to the 3/4, 1, 2, 3, her school is about right here. So 3/4 is the same as 3 lengths of 1/4. Let's try number 5 together. We know we have 3 equal lengths and we need to draw 2/3. So looking at my denominator, I need to make my whole into 3 equal parts. 1, 2, 3. Right here would be 1/3. Here would be 2/3. And then my whole, which would be 3/3, is at the end. So we need to represent 2/3 according to the problem. 2/3 is right here. So I'll draw my point right there. And this is how we find fractions on a number line.